So let's get into today. We have a great recap. We're going to get into our swing trades. Of course, the day trade, we're up 2,200 day trading stocks. We had great success, especially for the swing trades with our option trading. I'm going to show you what netted over 250%, what netted over 100%, and so forth. And then we're going to also discuss the crude oil futures trade that many have seen. Some members took 30 ticks, some took 40 ticks with crude. Really, we had a particular level where crude we saw or foreseen that it can hit, and we'll cover this in this actual recap as well. Remember the team, we focus on stocks, options, of course, forex, and futures. Anything with a chart, we do trade it. We are technical traders, so we don't believe in limitations. Although we may have our favorite markets, but we treat them all in terms of that risk versus the actual reward. Let's start off with analyzing the crude oil futures. This is our futures trade. Not only it was provided in the room early this morning, right around 5 a.m., it was also provided through Sunday's email as well. The earlier entry point was 53.60s this morning, around 5 o'clock in the morning. More so, what's very important to understand is trend. We were bullish in terms of we had a favorable bias to go long just based off of this candle in particular, 1 to 17. Very strong candle. And we know on the daily, crude generally takes some time to, we call it consolidate. So 2 days of consolidation before the next leg up, which was what we were anticipating. I'll break down the chart to a 15-minute time frame so you can see exactly how it looks on a smaller time frame. How did it really play out? So this is the morning area here. This is right around 5-ish where the alert was giving, right around here to go long. And our moderator, Jason, had a target of 54, which is absolutely perfect. Huge gains for anyone that was up this morning. Even if you woke up late, still had ample of time to catch that beautiful trade, even with a light entry. You just have to understand, once again, that downside risk. Our entry point was 54.03. We wanted it, and look at what happened on this candle. Not only your entry either here or here, the downside risk, we wanted to use about 20 ticks to 15 ticks. So really and truly, it would have never stopped you out. And look at this. Huge push into that target. Just in case you missed that, well, it gave another opportunity. You got basically a double bottom and another push, another extension into an even higher target range. That was crude for the day. What about our swings? I'm going to take you to CB. This was provided last week as a short. Let's go to our daily chart. Daily chart here, we like this. And you're going to get very familiar with our trading style in terms of how we find swing trade setups and also day trading setups as well. Just look here, we start to have a area of where price resisted. Couldn't quite break above that. And we just simply took it short. And literally that was it. So today, trading the options yielded about 90 to 100% on the options return for this stock in particular. We're going to go to Merck. Merck was also a swing. I already plotted out simply the resistant point because this was provided last week as well as a bonus. It's provided right in here, the 17th actually, to take it short. And resistance was basically our stop point, meaning like we didn't want to see it break above resistance. Otherwise, we get stopped out the trade. We're wrong, right? You break through resistance, that's no longer resistance. Therefore, it stayed under and woke up to a gap today. This netted about 250 to 240% on the options. Depending on your option, you could get a 300% return with Merck. We also day traded this as well. So I'm going to take you to a 1-minute time frame, and I'm going to add another level in particular where we did not see Merck want to go. and that was right here. So all I'm doing, just finding areas of resistance at this point, because just always remember it's price support. So let's just go to a 1 minute chart so you can see how it looked within that range. And this is our trade. This is where we took short. Bonus, beautiful for the swing room, beautiful for the day trading room. Another trade that we took today happened to be PG. PG about 2 weeks ago happened to be our swing short. I still have the markings because we took it on the break of this channel, and this was a beautiful cover right into that targeted level of support. It's going to get very repetitive as I speak because we trade the same concepts over and over. Let's go to a 1 minute chart. This is our short. Now, this was our breakdown. We took it short here, got that nice trend. The reason why I have these markings is because some traders were short into resistance, which is not a problem. Your stop loss just simply have to be at the top if you're going to get that, that nice breakdown. But we take breakdowns instead because we need that extra level of confirmation. UPS was very short-lived to the downside. It just kept holding same old support it held, and we couldn't break these candles at all. So it just channeled, short-lived here, and then it went back up. So our trade happened to be right in here. Not really much downside after that because technically it already hit that area of support. Being that today is Tuesday, we actually have swings right now that's currently hitting target, and I'm getting ready to pause this video so I can take profits. So I'm going to do this quickly. HLF hit our 41 target, so we had 41 prior level of some resistance we actually broke through today. Then we have BBY. BBY was also our buy long. You can see the nice extension, 2 days up so far. So that's 2 days up of a lovely upside. The options in this case is up about 50% as I speak. And FIS has not hit target yet, but this one is going in a lovely direction. Our short was simply pennies under the area of 128. We welcome any new trader, or even if you have some experience but you're struggling, Ernest and I will be more than happy to help you. Learn the various market, learn how to really analyze, capture all of this opportunity. There's potentials every single day, literally. Stocks, Forex, the options, futures, it doesn't matter. We train you. Take care. Trade safe.